Welcome to our comprehensive guide on investing in stocks for beginners. In this video, we will take you through a step-by-step process of how to start investing in the stock market. Whether you're completely new to investing or just looking to expand your knowledge, this guide is for you. Let's start by understanding the basics of stocks and why they are a popular investment option. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and buying shares gives you a stake in its profits and growth. When it comes to choosing stocks, it's essential to do thorough research and analysis. Consider factors like the company's financial health, industry trends, and future potential. Diversification is key to reducing risk in your investment portfolio. Investing in a variety of stocks across different sectors helps to protect against market volatility. It's important to set specific financial goals and determine your risk tolerance before investing. Remember that investing in stocks comes with risks, and you should be prepared for potential losses. Timing the market is nearly impossible, so it's better to adopt a long-term approach to investing. One strategy to consider is dollar cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount regularly over time. Keep an eye on market trends, but don't let short-term fluctuations distract you from your long-term goals. It's wise to seek advice from professionals or financial advisors as you navigate the stock market. Before investing, ensure you have a solid understanding of the company and its financials. While the stock market can be unpredictable, it historically offers higher returns compared to other investments. Stay informed about economic indicators and global events that may impact the stock market. Utilize tools and platforms that provide real-time market data and insights to make informed investment decisions. Monitor your stock portfolio regularly, but avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Consider leveraging additional investment mechanisms like mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These allow you to diversify your investment across a broader range of stocks or asset classes. Patience is key when it comes to investing in stocks. Don't get discouraged by short-term losses, as the market tends to recover over time. Keep learning and educating yourself about the stock market through books, online resources, and educational videos. Celebrate your successes, but also be prepared to learn from your mistakes as a beginner investor. Remember, investing in stocks is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined, stick to your investment plan, and be prepared for the journey ahead. By following these guidelines and staying consistent, you can increase your chances of success in the stock market. We hope this comprehensive guide has given you the knowledge and confidence to start your journey as an investor. Thank you for watching, and happy investing!